Primary School. This is iNews. It's Monday, January 21st, and also Martin Luther King Day. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ann, and here are your morning announcements. The Student Representative Team is going into their last week of organizing the Test Shoebox Appeal Drive, which helps those in need this holiday. Check out this video for more information.
Track and field training will take place this week. Check with the coaches for which events are training on which day.
There will be Gymnastics Team training today at 3:15 to 4 p.m.
This year, ISHCMC is hosting the Cross Asia Youth Film Festival at the secondary campus. More details can be found at aayff.com, or you can ask Mr. Frank and Mr. Pug if you have any questions.
MakerSpace is open to grades 1, 2, and 3 students during morning recess.
Joke of the day: why can't bicycles go as fast as cars?
Why?
Because they're too tired.
Random fact of the day: birds do not go to the bathroom for months while they're hibernating.
The mindfulness quote of the day: the time is always right to do what's right. Martin Luther King Jr.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a